Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. I was thankful to you all because we are now reaching around 4,000 subscribers right now. So our channel is growing and also we are also doing lot of steps to do in intraday and positional trading. And thanks for giving you such a support and such a great support for my YouTube channel as well as my Telegram channel. And once again, thanking you all, those who are already subscribed. I was giving you advance thanks to those who are going to subscribe my YouTube channel. I was thankful to you all. Now, I'm announcing that we are reaching 4,000 subscribers. So to make some initiative step, I am providing some trades on the Telegram channel what we have that is not a like calls. It is giving you some what we are planning to provide you that alerts from the charting. So we are having a charting scanner. So that scanner I'm going to send it to you on our Telegram channel. So let's say the Bollinger Band. So most of the people who are talking about Bollinger Band, so breakout. So we are created the scanner and charting. So that is giving you such a great support. Great method where we are going to make money. So many of them asking about how to find out. Someone asking about 15 minutes time frame. Someone asking about hourly time frame. Someone is asking a daily time frame. So to make anyone, so I'm just sending you the scanners so in a real time. So you can make use of it. So this scanner well provided by or we are taking that from charting and I have shared with here my group. So I think if it is uh, good for you, just comment on this video if you are taking this one is if you are interested to do this service, so you can take it out. I'm going to give you free only. I'm not charging anything for this service. But if you are maybe a lot of messages will come, so that may be irritating our group members. So if you feel any feedback about this kind of alert system, so you can share with my this video, so whether we are going to continue or we can discontinue this kind of alert pattern. So as per your suggestion, so we will try to continue or we will stop this service because someone it may be irritating, someone it is maybe the good information or a data available at the real time. So but how this one, so which I'm giving you real time scanner. So let's see some stocks which forms a polycap at 9:30. So today it was late by 5 minutes. So polycap, ABFRL, Bajaj Finserv, so those stocks which forms a Bollinger Band breakout in 15 minutes. So let's go for a polycap on 15 minutes Bollinger Band, right? On 15 minutes Bollinger Band. So today here 9:15. This is what so even if you are sending an alert by 9:35, once it is broken that I have 2385 and it moves towards 2479, almost near about 100 points in that polycap. So this signal will help you to make a such a trade, but I'm not going to take all the stocks. I'm going to analyze. So which one is HAL, second one is HAL. So let's see what happened here. HAL, this first candle, second candle is broken 55 to 62, again it is closed by 48. Some trades may give you such a great profit and some trades may be in loss also, but if you are getting the scanner at the real time, so we may be getting on hourly chart. Let's say this is what the first time hourly 10:30 we got it. Hindustan Unilever, Siemens and Grasim in the Petro. So these four stocks we got by hourly. That is what the first 1 hour candles. So Siemens and Grasim. Let's go to check Siemens. Siemens perfect na at 9:15. That is 9:15 means 10:15 closing candle. So where it is broken around 2185, it went up to 2235. Someone who messaged me, I was making such a good profit. Someone I got in my YouTube comment today almost 60,000 I made in Dr. Reddy, but I'm not seeing that the real one. But I also doing the trading in Dr. Reddy today and booked such a great profit. I think that was I already updated my Telegram channel. And now another stocks, that is what hourly basis, Grasim and Hindustan Unilever. Grasim, that was giving you sell entry. Grasim, which is for a sell entry. So here that sell entry was triggered by somewhere around the low of 1644, and then it moves to 1632 and closed by 1638. So where you got such an opportunity, it's small movement but it not give you. So that you should take care about your trade based on the system. So here I am not doing you, or I am not providing you any calls to do this like that. I'm just sending you the messages of the scanners and screeners, what we get the alert from my scanners that I was posted here. It may be helpful to someone and it may be irritating to someone. I don't worry about that, but you just give me a comment about this system. Even we have more powerful candlesticks pattern. This is what the trial one which we are doing right now. Once we got a some good feedback, so we will even continue more. Okay, these are the stocks, how it is going on the first hour. That was giving you such a great information where the Siemens is rocking well, and Hindustan Unilever, let's check with Hindustan Unilever, and then Hindustan Unilever. What happened in Hindustan? So Hindustan Unilever not giving you such a great opportunity once it's triggered, and it coming to the stop loss. When if you check that, there is a big stop loss for the trade, but even though the stop loss got triggered, so the risk and reward ratio you can manage with your position sizing. So you don't take the futures, you can also try with the equity one or based on your risk ability, right? And finally Hindu Petro MRF. So MRF I'm not going to focus, I'm going to focus in the Petro, Hindustan Petrol. So that is not giving you such a movement. So we selected some 5 stocks based on this candle, and we got a one great movement in Siemens. So you should compare with all other indicators, but I'm not using any indicators at here. But the candlesticks pattern may work very well, right? But even I was not taking about 15 minutes, 16 minutes time frame. I will always focus a daily time frame, because daily time frame will give you such a great information where the trend is going to up or down, right? But as your request only, I have done this 15-minute scanner and hourly scanner, and also daily scanner also available. So you will be getting that alert by around 5 o'clock in the everyday evening. So I hope you got this maybe clear. And as of now, what I did my trade by daily basis, and 2 trade which I have taken. So how many of them follow, I don't know, but I will show you that how I did the trade. And Divis Lab is my first trade. Can anyone find out where there is an opportunity on Divis Lab? But the position which I taken today itself, and also I was exiting my target by today itself. So there is a lot of opportunity in based on Bollinger Band. Sorry, based on candlesticks pattern. The first one should be the doji candle, right? The first one should be the doji candle, and second one should be like a harami candle, and here there is a like a spinning top. So this one, the spinning top candle, and again doji, and this should be inside out. This pattern should be inside out, and finally this broken this level, and now it is rocking. So even if you are focusing this high is to broken, so that was giving you such a great opportunity in intraday itself. So I was taken by 5000 call option. I'm taking the 5000 call option around 269. 5000 call option which I trade based on this candle. I taken a 269. I was ending with 400. I made around 25k plus profit on this particular Divis Lab. So it is based on candlesticks pattern, right? That is why I provided this call on my positional group. So there someone who booking such a great result on that positional group. So the next one which I taken for a trade, that is Astral. Here also anyone can find out what is the pattern here. Yes, perfect pattern which forms at this point on daily, like a spinning top or a doji. and second one should be a inside out. Again we are going to take a entry opportunity based on this inside out. So everywhere there is an opportunity at 2240, this one. All right, and what happened, it moves well and it stays away, and I am holding the positions on this. And the third one which I taken, this one, this is Aarti Industries, that is happening here, that is inside out, sorry, piercing line. I think this one is a piercing line, so where market is broken that level and you got such a great opportunity. So the entry point at here, entry at this point, and around 960 it went up to 1021. So what we have done instead, I was taken around 940 call option at 80, and I have sold by closing hours around 100. So somewhere around I think the lot size of this stock is around somewhere 850. So 20 points, almost we booked a 16 to 17k profit in this. So total 2 trades we booked a profit, and 1 or 2 trades we are holding. So because we are not focusing for intraday kind of trade, so all are the positional trade which I taken for my positional opportunity. And as per the candlesticks pattern, so we discussed about some of the trades. So like I updated on the video. So PEL, how many of them see PEL, piercing line candlesticks pattern, that moves big. Got it? Piercing line pattern, so where it is broken and moves big. And HCL Technologies, where we are focusing the doji candle, and it broken and went up, and again it is closing down. So I think this was shared by one of my client. And Nifty, based on the doji, yesterday's video we have discussed about doji, but it is not giving you opportunity opening itself, it is went up. Nifty also moving higher, but this is the doji candle, now it is moving higher and higher. Some other stocks also we've seen, but everything that was giving you based on the candlesticks pattern, that is working well for my intraday and positional trades. I hope this video may be useful to you. And if you check that what are the candlesticks pattern recently we've seen, and this is what our previous trade. So let's see, piercing line, M&M, Metropolis, PEL is there, Amar Raja Batteries, National Aluminium also I think moving, Granules. So these are the stock for a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, doji at bottom. Nifty, okay, IndusInd Bank, and let's say IndusInd Bank, what happened today? IndusInd Bank, what happened today? That is also working good. We marked the level by yesterday around 111, and it is generating you around 15 points profit. But this is not for intraday, but you can make profit by intraday itself, not an issue. So but it is a positional trade that will give you such a great opportunity for your trade today. So I hope you got some ideas about how to trade, and I need your comment also where I am sharing that candlestick scanners on our Telegram channel. So it may be, if it is useful, so we will continue, or if you are not feeling go bad, so we will remove that from that group. Okay, so now some other candle, lot of candlesticks which forms and few we are going to take piercing line and Twizzler bottom. This one is separating line bullish and bearish. So HDFC, L&T, Zeal, lot of stocks. So let's go for a Zeal. What happened today? Is there any opportunity? No. So this is what an entry level, and this is what another entry level, sell entry, buy entry. So the stock was in between the level. So we don't have any opportunity. And L&T, IEX last month moved very big. So if you are taking entry, there is a big stop loss. So simply we may ignore. And another important thing, so IEX, which forms a Harami pattern. This is the candle Harami pattern. So end of this today, it may be finding by the Harami candlesticks pattern based on candlesticks pattern in this what called a bullish Harami. So there is an entry point at this highest level. There is a stop loss for the trade. So let's say I will update you tomorrow what are the stocks which forms a kind of candlesticks pattern. So that I will be going to update by tomorrow. And these are the stocks which moves good today based on the candlesticks pattern as well as my option strategies. So that is giving you such a great profit. Almost we are having 10 people, 10 people in a group. At least we booked near about 35 to 40,000 today. So almost it's nearing by 3 to 4 lakhs. So I hope this video may be useful to you all, and I need your feedback. So whether we are going to continue or not. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. And I have shared my profit, right? So how much I booked a profit here today. So this is my trade where Aarti Industries I bought around 80, sold around 100. Divi's Lab which I bought around 270, sold at 410. So almost 28 to 16,000, near about 35,000. We booked a profit. Not only one client. So today we have joined a lot more clients. Again Aarti Industries by 17,000. Again 26,000 in Divi's Lab and 12,000 in Aarti Industries. Here another 24,000 to 17,000. These are the trades which are taken by positional trade that we booked today. So happy for my clients. Thank you for watching this and thank you very much. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanking you all who are subscribed my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.